Welcome to week 6 of the prehab exercises for those of you who are going to get a total knee replacement. Whether or not you get a total knee replacement, you're going to get a lot of benefit from these exercises, but we know that the stronger we get before surgery, the better the recovery we have. So I'm proud of you for being here all the way through to week 6. Let's finish these exercises and go back to the beginning to do 2 to 3 sets of these in total. And we'll start with this first exercise, a mini squat with some weight. So this exercise round, we're going to use some weight, whether that's a 5-pound, 10-pound. I have 15 pounds here for squats. I want a weight that is comfortable and safe for you. So we know how to do the mini squats. We perform just a partial squat, but now I have a little bit of weight in my hands. If this bothers the knee, don't do it. So we're going to try to do 10 of these. If you need to do these without any weight, go for it without any weight. You ready? Three, 4, 5. We can make these a little harder by going down a little bit lower in a chair, but I think it's hard enough with a little bit of weight, and we need some more energy and some stamina to do this 2 or 3 more times. So one more for good measure since I was talking, and we're going to finish up the squat. Okay, so we've got our weight still. We're going to move on to the lateral step up, another exercise that we're familiar with. We did this earlier, but now I'm going to do it with a little bit of weight. I have a chair if I need for support, but the idea is to just go up onto the step and to come back down. Make sure you have a nice firm grip and a support rail if you need. But we're going to go up and do 10 of these. If you're ready, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nice and controlled. 6, 7, if it's too much with the weight, 8, or there's pain in the knee, don't do it with the weight. Just do it with your body weight, and that'll be great for today. All right, so the next exercise continues to use a weight if you're able to tolerate that. It's a heel raise exercise. Again, we've done this before, so we know we go up onto our toes, we lift our heels off the ground, but we're gonna use a little bit of resistance, a little extra weight today. So if you're ready, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, nice and controlled. 7, 8, 9, and last one, 10. Great job. Okay, I'll give you a breather. You can set the weight down. We're gonna find a countertop, something that's sturdy, solid enough to do some of these exercises. If you need to, you can do it at the wall. The first one is going to be a countertop plank. And so I'm starting out here at the wall. We're gonna hold a plank for about 15 to 20 seconds, or maybe even a little bit longer, because I'm gonna show you what it looks like, of course, at the countertop. But that would be more for a beginner or someone who's not feeling it for the day. This is more of a plank that I'm looking for, so let's hold this position here. Try to keep your abdominals braced, your tummy tight, your arms locked out. Not necessarily with the elbows locked out. You can keep the elbows a little soft so that your arms can do a little more work at the shoulders. And if this is too easy for you, we can go onto our elbows and hold the plank a little bit lower. It's going to give you a little bit more challenge as you work through that. We're going to hold that for a few more seconds. Keep breathing and ease out of that. Good job. So while we're at the countertop, we've done the plank. We're going to work into some push-ups. You can do a half push-up at the tabletop or a countertop here. And we're going to work 10 of these push-ups. As you're familiar with these from the previous weeks, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you need to take a break, that's fine. 6. We're going to work to 10. 7, 8, 9, and one more. Great job. If you're finding these exercises to be helpful, let me know by giving this video a like. Plus, if you want all of the printed exercises, you can find them at totalkneebook.com or in the book itself, Total Knee Replacement Made Simple. I wrote this book for people like you who want a little more guidance with their exercises, whether it's the prehab exercises we're doing right now or the 12-week recovery plan that I've laid out in the book with all the pictures and descriptions, plus so much more. So you can find all of the information in here and where to get this book at totalkneebook.com. All right, let's continue on with some of the exercises. All right, so that will finish out the difficult exercises for this round. We're gonna finish the whole series off with a stretch, one you're familiar with, the hamstrings. And so let's position ourselves where we're up nice and tall. We'll hinge here at the hips and we'll get that stretch in the hamstrings for about 15 to 20 seconds. If you're ready, let's get started. If you don't have a step like this, I'll show you. Of course, you can do this like so. I just have to go down a little bit further, but I still get the same type of stretch in the back of the hamstrings. I give a little bend in that knee, but I can bias that hamstring just fine without a step. But I just like having a step here or putting your foot against the wall because we're going to transition right into the calf stretch. Hold that calf stretch for about 15 to 20 seconds. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath here. Almost done with round one. For rounds 2 and 3, all you have to do is go back to the beginning of this video, watch it again for this day, and a few more times this week, and then you've completed 6 weeks of prehab. I'll be here to do them with you every day that you hit play. And boy, I think 6 weeks of this exercise program should really make a big difference when it comes to strength or getting better balance and stability before you go pursue a knee replacement. So I'm very proud of you. I'm glad you're able to get through 6 weeks of this. Hit repeat through this past video. If you have a few more weeks to your knee replacement, keep working, and I'll see you in the next video.